Hey everybody, how you doing? SK Modified at Stafford Motor Speedway. This is a half-mile semi-bank track. It's like 7-degree banking. I think this is one of the flattest tracks the SK Modified visits. I kind of struggle with this track. This is a lot like Martinsville, if you will. It's a drag strip, a couple corners, a drag strip, and a couple corners. So I don't have a very good Stafford setup. I am using a modification of my Thompson setup and added a little more stagger. I am in the number 6 car today. This is the only split in this time slot. There is one driver in this race with 6,000 iRating, one with 3,000, and 3 with 2,000 plus. I'm currently sitting at 1750, and the low iRating that I saw in the field is 700.
All right, fellas, we got an amazing day for a race here today.
My best intentions here are to finish 6th, and I think I would consider that a win with these aliens that I have up ahead of me. Okay, well, in practice and qualifying there, the car feels pretty good with this Thompson setup and a little bit of modifications, so we'll see how this runs here today.
Get ready here.
We got 15 cars.
I have a map pace cards off.
We got 15 cars and 40 laps, enduro, no cautions.
Green flag.
All right, get a good jump out on the high side there. I'm going to settle into 6th place. Turns 3 and 4 are pretty good to me. Turns 1 and 2, I have a hard time negotiating them. We'll cover that in the track analysis later here. All right, lap 1 down. So far, so good. Oh, we got somebody sweeping out way high to the wall there, which has a lot of people have a tendency to do, myself included. All right, working lap 2 coming around here. Ooh, we got somebody that got sideways there. Ooh, he got really sideways, hit the wall. I dived to the inside, following the one car. Wow, that was incredible. Ooh, let's take a look at that again. He almost saved it. He just kind of blocked the track. Boy, a couple guys took a wild ride into the infield here. See, I saw the 9 go high, the I side to go low, follow the one car. That was just perfect timing. The one car overcorrected steering. That was good because that put him back towards the wall. This is the car behind me, roof cam. Wow, okay, I'll tell you what, that was 100% luck, guys, and 0.05% skill maybe. Wow, that was just fortuitous as all get out. Okay, well, that kind of cleared out a little bit of the field, and 2 guys in front of me, so I'm now sitting in 4th. Wow. Okay, catch your breath, and man, that was early for that to happen. You see the leader up ahead. He's about 30 car lengths ahead of me. Well, he's 2.8 seconds. Take care of the stuff, you bet. My SR took a pounding the last 3 races, and I need to build some of that back up. So I'm in 4th. I've got the 14 car behind me in 5th, who he just blinked out and then he came back in. I think I've got a little something for him, so I think I'm going to start to pull away from him just a little bit. That's what's happened here in the last couple laps. There is no hope for me catching the guys up ahead unless they get into a squabble there and somebody takes somebody out. So I'm just going to sit here now for a little while and try to get some laps in and get some of my SR back. So let's take a look at this track. Like I said, I kind of struggle with this track. Like I said, it's one of the flatter tracks that we visit here. And as I'd mentioned, 3 and 4, I'm much better through 3 and 4 than 1 and 2. So coming out of 4 here, following the pavement, the rubber on the pavement, sweep up underneath the flag stand there, come down into 1. I think I come into 1 way too early and I end up diamonding the corner. But you see the rubber on the track, that seems to be kind of the preferred line, and I see a lot of guys do it. If you're a setup master, you can hold that line all the way around. Now, turns 3 and 4 here, you can see I'm in that lower lane. That's just perfect. Sweep out to the flag stand again. And then there's the rubber, and then you come in and see, I think I come in a little early, then I'm too hot, then I got to get out of the accelerator, a little tap on the brake, diamond the corner, come back out, sweep out to the wall in the backstretch, and then set up for turns 3. Okay, so turn 3 I come in, we got somebody locking up the brakes there. But anyway, now I kind of swept out just a little too far there, almost lost it. So turns 1 again, turn 1 coming in, I diamond it again. That's kind of where the rubber is on the track anyway. It seems to be, like I said, a major line. But if you can hold that right around the line on turns 1 and 2, you've got a good setup. Okay, that was a good corner through 3 and 4 there for me. Coming down the front straight, and then ease on the gas. I do use just a little bit of brake. Okay, now see that time there, you see how that turn 4 inside line kind of comes out to meet you at the apex there. That's what seems to throw me off. It doesn't seem very symmetrical compared to turns 3 and 4. But that time I was actually below the rubber groove on the track. Okay, let's take a look at this one here. See this one here right there, I followed the rubber. You kind of diamond it, come down, apex on turn 4. Well, I mean, I'm not a setup master here. You know, I'm kind of learning that as things go. I'm just out here having fun and trying to crack off some good laps. So, like I said, I'm sitting here in 4th now. So that's pretty good positioning for me. And with this strength of field that we have, I'm as high as I think I've ever been at Stafford here in the SK. So one more time, coming down through 3 and 4. I'm right on that white line there. That was an awesome corner there, 3 and 4. That's the way you should do it. Whoa, 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 whoa. Got somebody here, a lapper that spins, so I'm going to take the outside here, try to get around him. Turns 1 and 2 with everybody kind of diamond in that corner, at least a lot of the cars. That is the ultimate passing zone, it appears to be here at Stafford, where you can get in underneath the car in turn 1 and then finish it out through turn 2. So that's my track analysis. You know what time it is? Crank that knob to 11.
Outside 19.932, still out there. Clear high.
Okay, you saw a perfect example there in turns 1 and 2 when I was passing that 9 car there low, how I had to unwind the steering because the inner curb on turn 2 seemed to come out to me. So anyway, well, we're coming up on halfway here, 20 laps of 40, and as you can see here, when the field is really spread out, the leaders have checked out for me, and I've got a pretty good lead on the 5th place car. So basically for the next 18 laps, just everybody's in their own little zone. We're kind of cranking off some glorified time trial laps, getting some SR. I passed 1 or 2 more lap cars, no other incidents, anything like that. So what we're going to do is we're going to jump ahead to about 2 laps to go.
20.054. 20 laps to go. .057. Come to the white.
Coming to the white flag. I'm in 4th, solidly in 4th. The leader's about 3.5 seconds behind me. I'm not going to get lapped, but we see very little other white on the board there. I've got 5 seconds on the 5th place car. So white flag, position 4th, picked up some good SR. Had 0 incidents here on this race. One of my best finishes ever here at Stafford in the SK, and pretty happy with that. I will come across and finish in 4th here. There's the checkered flag, I think, but with the last few races, if you've been watching my races, I'm not too sure. So you know what?
checkered flag.
Even though Chad called out checkered flag, and it sure looks like it, I'm going to do one more lap here, the cool down lap, and I think the red car in front of me is doing the same thing. I'm coming across the stripe one more time to make sure that I am definitely in fourth, and it appears that that is the case. All right, well, I tell you what, my points payout for this fourth place finish with this strength of field here was as high, and in some cases higher, than some of my win points payouts in lower split races in the SK. So anyway, I'll take this as a very good day, very good race for me here at Stafford. Thanks for coming along for the ride, guys, and we'll see you next time.